These A dancing baby videos are going viral and generating thousands and millions of views. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to generate these videos for free. Yes, it's free, no paid tools, and no subscription. If this is the type of content you are looking for, you are absolutely on the right channel. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. Without wasting time, let's dive into it.
First, open your CapCut app. Tap on New Project. Go to Photos, then select the image you want to use. Once the image is imported, tap on it and drag it to match the length of the video you want to create. Now, scroll to the end of the timeline and delete the CapCut logo that appears at the end of the video. After that, scroll back and tap to highlight the image you imported. At the bottom, scroll through the editing options and find Mimic Motion. Tap on Mimic Motion. You will see two options: Move and Move Pro. The Move option is free. The Move Pro option requires credits. Choose the option you want to use, then tap the plus icon above to import the video you want the image to copy the dance moves from. Once the video is imported, allow it to load. The AI will analyze and recognize the motion. After loading is complete, tap on Generate. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. When the generation is complete, tap on Settings. Change the resolution to 1080p. Set the frame rate to 30 frames per second. Finally, tap Export, and your viral dancing baby video is ready.
If this tutorial was helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you, and see you on the next one.